Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about Prince. As you've already heard, Prince has passed away less than a week ago, and now there's already a court case open. Prince didn't have an estate plan. Because he didn't have an estate plan, there are so many lessons that we can learn from what's going to happen with his estate. But I want to tell you three of the biggest lessons today. These lessons can apply to anyone. It doesn't have to be somebody with a large estate. It can be anyone, especially those with a smaller estate really need to take care of preserving their assets for the ones that they love. So the first lesson we can learn from Prince and his lack of estate planning. You and your family will have your private information go public if you don't have an estate plan in place. Plain and simple. Yesterday morning, the papers were filed in court for Prince's probate. Last night, I read those documents online because they're public information. So now I know Prince's last known address, his sister's name and address, and the name and addresses of all of his 5 half-siblings, all of whom stand to inherit large sums of money from his estate and potentially the opportunity to continue to run his empire and receive the profit from it in the future. If you don't want that information being public record, you need to set up a proper estate plan. Plain and simple. The second lesson we can learn from Prince and his lack of estate planning is that you can actually do a lot more harm to your loved ones than good if you don't do proper estate planning. Prince, without an estate plan, stands to give large sums of money to those who inherit from him outright, with no protections in place. He has a sister who has a history with drug addiction. This could be a potentially dangerous scenario for her to come into a windfall of money that's not protected. Prince could have, and all of you should, set up a plan wherein your heirs will inherit your assets protected for a lifetime. The third thing we can learn from Prince's lack of estate planning is that your business must be a part of your plan if you own a business. Prince's business will continue to flourish. His sales have gone up over 40% since his passing last week. So there is no one in place to step in and run that business because he didn't have a plan for that. That's dangerous. That means that potentially 6 people will come into this situation and duke it out. So there's a lot of money that stands to be lost. Prince, being the humanitarian that he was, would probably not have wanted that for his business. So important if you're a business owner to make sure that your business is actually part of your estate plan. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you.